at Belmain, our purpose is to make everything that you do in the kitchen fun, easy, and beautiful. That's why we made this splatter guard, to shield your kitchen from splattering oil, grease, and other hot food. With the highest mesh count in the industry, this guard blocks 99% of splatter, keeping your skin safe and your stovetop clean. We focus on protecting you and your kitchen, so you can focus on your latest recipe. Our versatile splatter guard can also be used as a strainer or cooling rack, and the 13-inch diameter covers all of your favorite stock pots and skillets. It's heavy duty and durable, high-grade stainless steel that won't rust, bend, or break, because we take care choosing how our products are made. Belmain is made for kitchens that work. This product is easy to clean. Just wipe it off between uses, or toss it in the dishwasher after a heavy use. Cook fearlessly. Belmain, quality tools for discerning cooks.